This isn't a terrifying bird like a swan or a goose. It's just a blue jay. That's a pretty big blue jay.
Come on, Sheldon, Star Wars. I'm pushing play. I mean it. Yeah, if we don't start soon, George Lucas is gonna change it again.
Yeah, this would go a lot faster if you put your trade school diploma to work and help me set up this high-frequency tone generator.
I have a master's degree from MIT.
Yeah, but you got a can-do attitude, and that's what's important.
I really don't get your problem with birds.
Well, the question you should be asking is, what is their problem with me? My first memory, a hummingbird dive-bombing my stroller to get at the apple juice in my sippy cup.
Hummingbirds are pretty.
Hummingbirds are the vampires of the flower world.
Still my first choice for an ankle tattoo. Or a dolphin, I go back and forth.
Age 7, a bloodthirsty chicken chases me up a tree. Age 12, a magpie tries to steal the retainer out of my mouth. Age 16, a parrot in a pet store calls me fat. Need I go on?
Yes, please, this is way better than the movie. All right, Sheldon, your bird death ray is ready.
It's not a death ray. It's just a little ultrasonic blast to scare him off. Yeah, trust me, if I had a death ray, I wouldn't be living here. I'd be in my lair enjoying the money the people of Earth gave me for not using my death ray. All right, and in 3, 2, 1.
That is one tough birdie.
This is ridiculous. I'm a grown man from Texas. This isn't a terrifying bird like a swan or a goose. It's just a blue jay. That's a pretty big blue jay. One, 2, 3. Go! Shoot! Instant earthquake! Burn the apartment! Burn the apartment! No!
Unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.